defeated a toy. I own Zwartkops. It's just a passion I've had since I was a child. I raced for many years. My father raced, my son's racing, my grandchildren are racing. So it's motor racing's in our blood, and Zwartkops is our home. It is created and established to be practical, affordable as it best can be when it comes to motorsport, and accessible. Today is about an inland championship. That means northern regions in South Africa. It is regional and club. It's a participative event, over 200 entries.
My name is Bruce van Niekerk, taking part in the Inland Historic Tour, the second round of our series at Zwartkops today. I'm racing in the Formula Libra category, as well as the historic single-seaters. I raced when I was much younger and didn't have so much grey hair. So after a 32-year break from racing, I came back. This is a 91 Amiga, based on a Formula V that was built in 91, but since been upgraded to compete in the Formula Libra category. What has been retained from the 91 car is the Beetle front suspension. Upgrades on the front suspension are, instead of having the drum brakes, we are running brakes from a VW Polo. To provide the forward motion, Amiga is fitted with an 1800 Golf engine. The head has been ported, so we get better fuel and air mixture and combustion. The camshaft is a racing camshaft, and it is fed by twin side draft 40 Webers. When she's cold, she's a little bit temperamental to start, but once she's started, she sings. I'm very superstitious about getting into a single-seater race car. I only climb in from the left-hand side. This is actually my happy place. I love being in a single-seater race car, even though I am slightly claustrophobic. In a single-seater race car, that doesn't bother me at all.
My name is Carmen Fleutoutes. I'm 22 years old and I'm racing for Clubmans. I recently started this year racing with them, and I actually started racing 3 years ago, but it's my first time with this club. My dad is racing with me today. He's been racing with me since I actually started. So my car is the purple and yellow Golf 1. It's a 2-litre 8-valve. What I love about racing is the speed, and afterwards the adrenaline we have after every race. And we just want to keep on going more and go for more.
Racing drivers are a very friendly bunch. How's it? We have a mixture of categories here. Some of the Silver Cup cars are parked here, and the rest of them are parked down in the main pits. They cracked the nod today to get the limelight. So first come, first served. If you weren't there on time, well, you get the cheap seats here. Yeah, all of us are grouped together because it would be boring to come and watch a race where there's 5 or 6 cars. So if for example, Clubman's cars only have a few vehicles, join up with the Mid-Val Historics. Put everybody together, put on a better spectacle for your spectators, as well as make it more entertaining for your drivers. Here we have the on-track racing Clubmans. Next to them we have the Mid-Val Historics, and we have the Evapco Pursuit Series cars, which is like an event, handicap type of event racing, and also Evapco Historics. Some people want their cars to be in mint condition, others don't mind if it's modified a bit. On this side we have the Formula Libra and Formula M cars, which combine to form Formula Monoposto. We have our own little index-based championship for the end of the year. The main difference between our cars and the Formula M guys is we use car engines and they use motorcycle engines. As you can see on the side pods, I've got stickers that say thank you to my tribe. That is all my friends and family and all of my sponsor stickers as well. just an acknowledgement to what they've done for me to enable me to indulge in my passion here.
Motorsport worldwide is growing, and we're also growing in South Africa. If you look what's happening from a participative point of view and the entry-level racing, it's strong.